Get to know. Penguin. Penguins are birds that can't fly, but they are amazing swimmers, like little torpedoes in the water. They can swim up to 15 kilometers per hour, 9 miles per hour, using their flippers like wings. Penguins can drink seawater, thanks to a special gland that removes salt. Emperor penguins are the tallest penguin species, growing up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet. Penguins are very social and often huddle together to stay warm. Thank you, and subscribe.